Meaning of hydrochloric acid.
Hydrochloric acid.
Hydrochloric acid.
Hydrochloric acid.
Hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid, also known as muriatic acid, is an inorganic compound with the chemical formula HCl. It is a highly corrosive liquid, colorless to slightly yellow, and highly soluble in water, giving off a pungent, suffocating odor. Hydrochloric acid is used in many industrial processes, such as the production of polyvinyl chloride, cleaning and etching glass, and refining ore. It is also found naturally in the digestive system of humans and other animals, where it aids in the digestion of food. However, exposure to high concentrations of hydrochloric acid can be dangerous and can cause severe burns and respiratory problems.